Alright guys, this is a 2025 Hyundai KONA EV. I did a service earlier and my service advisor upsold a cabin filter. Okay. Alright, so here's the lead. To pull this out, you have to press this 2 tab here to release it. Then here is the cabin filter. I think it's time. All right, here's the part number. We are also adding this AC Fresh. Just spray it on the cabin filter. It's gonna kill the bacteria and it's gonna smell good. Some customer doesn't like the smell, but honestly, I do like it. Whoa! You almost killed me again.
Did you die yet?
Huh?
Did you die yet?
I died, but I came back to life because I have to do this.
Damn.
I know, right? Well, thank you for driving this.
Oh my god, that's what I was breathing?
Yeah. For how long? Like 5 minutes at least?
Dog, that's nasty.
It is. Okay, so when you guys install this, there's an airflow arrow supposed to be pointing down. Alright, so when you install this, hook this up first, then just line it up and press it in. Don't forget the dampener. Then we're gonna apply a little bit here. All right, we are all done here, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.